This is the most expensive mansion in the world of the Saudi prince, Mohammed bin Salman, and is located in Louveciennes, France. The Saudi prince bought this mega mansion in 2015 for a whopping $300 million. The 54,000 square foot home is located near the Chateau de Versailles on 57 acres of land and features huge lush gardens, fountains, and a huge courtyard. The villa has 10 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, a huge reception room with a domed ceiling, an indoor pool, and a nightclub. But the most amazing feature is the meditation room that houses an aquarium. In the same year, Prince Mohammed bought a luxury yacht from a businessman for a whopping $590 million, but also a painting called Salvatore Mundi by artist Leonardo da Vinci worth $450 million. Saudi Arabia's ruling royal family is estimated to have a net worth of $1.4 trillion, making it the richest family